Imagine the crackling of a campfire, the aroma of food cooking in the great outdoors. Welcome to 60 seconds of sizzling campfire recipes. Kickstarting with foil-wrapped campfire nachos. Layer tortilla chips, shredded cheese, black beans, and diced tomatoes in a foil pan. Cover and cook till the cheese is melty. Top it off with sour cream and guacamole. Next up, campfire pizza. Spread pizza sauce on a flatbread, sprinkle cheese, your favorite toppings, wrap it in foil, and let the campfire do its magic. Lastly, for the sweet tooth, banana boat s'mores. Slit a banana, stuff it with marshmallows, chocolate chips, wrap, and cook. Voila! Remember, the key to campfire cooking is patience. Enjoy the process and the food will taste even better. Until next time, happy camping and bon appetit!